There are secrets to good success. It is a result of prayer, preparation, and humility. The whole journey of life is a journey of preparation. Before anything else, be prepared.
The best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today.
The will to win is not nearly so important as the will to prepare to win.
Behind every brilliant performance, there were countless hours of practice and preparations.
When we meet someone who needs to hear our story and the Jesus story, are we prepared to tell it? Do we have a personal story? Let us make sure we are prepared not only to meet Jesus one day, face to face, but that we are ready to meet Jesus in the faces of those in our path each day. Be prepared.